case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 1982, the Supreme Court of the United States ruled in a remarkable case, National Asin for the Advancement of Colored People vs. Claiborne Hardware Company, centering on First Amendment rights and peaceful political activity. The case put a spotlight on an orchestrated NAACP boycott against white businesses in Claiborne County, and its aftermath, which saw the Mississippi Supreme Court branding the boycott as illegal due to acts of violence and threats. The boycott was a direct response in March 1966 from the black citizens who presented their demands for racial equality to the white businesses. Those demands, in effect, were not satisfactorily met, leading to the initiation of the boycott, a test of the First Amendment protections. The fallout from the boycott was a hefty damages award of over $1 million imposed on all those involved, with the NAACP held fully responsible. The impacted merchants sought not only compensation for the damages, but also a legal remedy to forestall any future boycotts. The United States Supreme Court, however, reversed the judgment handed down by the Mississippi Supreme Court. The federal court held that the First Amendment safeguarded the right to engage in peaceful political acts, including boycotts. The court argued that defendants or organizations could only be held responsible for specific violent acts or threats if they authorized, directed, or specifically instructed these actions. A guilt by association theory was deemed impermissible under the First Amendment. Therefore, the NAACP could only be held accountable for actions carried out by its agents, which fell within the scope of their apparent or actual authority, or if they explicitly endorsed the conduct. This significant ruling underscored the importance of upholding the First Amendment rights of individuals and organizations engaging in peaceful political activity. It set a legal precedent that reverberates in cases arguing the limit of freedom of speech and peaceful political activity to this day.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.